right, let's drill a ball.
Okay.
What do you got?
I got this thing and this thing.
Bruh. What kind of ball you got?
Oh, I got a Blizzard Meltdown.
By.
Lord Field.
So how are we laying this out?
80 by 2 3/4 by 70.
Now, get that layout from
My old Blizzard.
the 13-pounder you had, the Black Blizzard. Ocean had it polished at 4,000 grit, and it actually turned into a monster at the Pro-Am event you did with the PWBA back in June. So.
Insert video here.
Video inserted. All your little circles right there. And that's how you lay it out. 80 by 2 3/4 by 40.
It's like.
Yeah, because you don't have your Jopo. You run Jopo.
Ooh. Yep. Step 3, 4. Step 4. I never realized how small my wrists are until you see other people's wrists.
Huh?
Super. Is that from bowling?
I don't know. It's just your bone structure.
I have a lot of muscle in them, kind of.
Hand it real quick.
My hands are so dry.
You gotta get in there square, yeah. That's good. You don't want to take too much out. All you're doing is beveling the edge. There.
Waiting.
Now, pick it up and fit it before we glue it. How's it feel?
Ooh, feels good.
A little long?
No. Feels fine to me. I mean, my hand is definitely not swollen right now. Transition time! Wait, I want to do it.
Okay, we'll do it.
2, 1. Oh, didn't see you there. This one is drilled now by 80 by 2 3/4. Obviously. And by 70. So we're going to try it out now. So first we're going to throw it out of the box, and it's 4,000 grit sanded over stock. And then we're going to bring it down to 500 maybe. Oh gosh, that was really weird. Oh, okay. Well, I did. Oh gosh. Well, that was weird. I almost didn't have a lot of hand in it. Oh gosh. I definitely like the outside. Ooh, my hand sucks. Nope. 500 grit. Is that good? Okay, it's sanded now. 500. Oh gosh. Oh. drove through. It keeps coming hot. Oh, I picked up my spare. Oh gosh.
Give me one more clean.
Oh, that was so weird.
So what do you think?
I made my final decision.
Speak loud.
I'm not gonna keep it.
Not going to keep it.
It wasn't like strong on the back end, like my preference was.
So it rolled like we said it would. Probably could have went with a longer pin, being the big drill angle built, big VAL angle. We based the layout off of the previous Blizzard you had. It kind of had the same reaction as the previous Blizzard. It gave you what we had. So it's a good ball. Really down, smooth motion. Would continue. It really wouldn't continue. It was kind of burning up, but you wouldn't really.
Yeah, you definitely have to play outside with it.
Yeah, definitely got to get to the dry to get it into the bins. So anyway, this ball will be for sale. HackJobsProShop.com. You can check it out there. It will also be, you can get me through Facebook, Hack Jobs Pro Shop and Bowling. Make sure you check us out there and like us on all the other social medias, TikTok, Instagram. And yeah. Anything else to say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And don't forget to go to church tomorrow.
Don't forget to go to church tomorrow.